your riches. 911, it's an emergency. Cowards tried to murder me from hood to the birds. Every one of you niggas heard of me. Shit, I'm legendary, niggas scary and paralyzed. Nothing more I despise than a liar. Cowards die. My mama told me when I was a seed, such a vicious motherfucker. Why these devils let me free? I proceed to make them shiver when I deliver criminal lyrics from a worldwide mob figure. Thug niggas from everywhere, Mr. Machiavelli. Niggas is waiting for some thug shit, that's what they tell me. So many rumors, but I'm infinite, immortal outlaw. Switching up on you ordinary bitches like I'm Southpaw, you get left. And every breath I breathe until the moment I'm deceased. Will be another moment ballin' as a G. I grip the crowd, then I start again. Eternally, I live in sin until the moment that they let me breathe again. The heart's
no heart for the fight.